Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're back for some more exploding kittens. So without further ado, let's go. But first I have to change my avatar to kitten. I'm sorry last week I didn't upload any videos because last week I was doing my midterm test or mid test. Connecting to matchmaking. Okay, Buttercup and Ed Sheeran. Yep, all 5 players have in. Buttercup goes first. Wow, he takes so much time than he got. Why don't I text him?
Wow.
Alright, Buttercup draws a card. Ed Sheeran draws a card. I want to steal a card
Potato.
from Gangster. Okay, here's a card. Oh, I got a diffuse! Oh my god, I got a diffuse! I got a diffuse, guys! I got a diffuse. Oh, Gangster draws an exploding kitten. Alright, Buttercup plays steal card Taco Cat to Gangster. Buttercup plays skip. At Shiri's turn. And Shiri draws an exploding kitten, lol.
Pew pew. It's your turn.
Let me try. Play card or draw card? Draw card. Oh. Okay.
I wouldn't draw that card if I were you.
1, 2, 3 kittens. Your turn.
Buttercup says, let me just play a shuffle. Okay, Buttercup draws an exploding kitten, but he has a diffuse. I say lol. Okay, Gangster exploded. One player already exploded. Oh, Yo-Yo draws an exploding kitten. That's 2 people in a row, boys.
It's your turn.
You can see the future. They put in the top card, do they? H3 plays skip. Buttercup plays draw from the bottom. Yo-Yo plays double slap. Oh, okay. I see what this is going. Huh? Let me draw a card. Play my first diffuse.
Hum nom 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 nom.
Put it on third.
It's your turn.
And draw another card. At Shiri's turn. Buttercup draws an exploding kitten. I knew it. Buttercup explode. Just up to me, Yo-Yo, and Ed Sheeran. Hopefully, I win my first round of exploding kitten.
1, 2, 3 it's your turn.
Yo-Yo plays see the future. Let me just. Ed Sheeran's turn. Yo-Yo's turn. Yo-Yo draw an exploding kitten. Yo-Yo exploded. It's up to me and Ed Sheeran, boys. Let me just draw a card. Oh, no. Let's see, we have shuffle. Shuffle's a dropout. Draw from the bottom. Double slap, skip. Reverse and diffuse. Let me just play shuffle. And shuffle the dropout. Oh, it's exploding, but don't worry, I have a second diffuse. put it in on, how about 5th?
One, two, three,
Make sure you
kittens.
play See the Future.
Your turn. It's your turn.
Okay. I have to draw 2 cards. Ed Sheeran draws the Exploding Kittens. Oh, yes,
Your
the defuse.
view. You.
I'm gonna play Steel card. Come on, Ed Sheeran, choose a card to give up. Let me just shuffle.
Oh.
Okay. I already shuffled the draw pile. Okay, I give him Ed Sheeran, draw from the bottom card.
It's your turn.
I'm gonna play Skip because I'm worried the top card was an Exploding Kitten. Play more skips.
Your turn.
We're just gonna keep going playing skips and reverse.
Your turn. Your turn. You.
Play the last double slap, boy.
It's your turn.
Whoa, he's good. You're dead, Ed Sheeran. Come on, Ed Sheeran, we know you're dead.
Hello.
I win the first round. Alright, the card collector is Ed Sheeran, most attack me. And diffuse expert is also Ed Sheeran. Go to the second round. Alright, second round, here we go. Oh yeah, and plus, fun fact. Exploding Kittens. I have a card game named Exploding Kitten, but it's not on mobile. It's also on real life, and I really like it very much. Still waiting. While waiting, I'm gonna change my avatar to this one.
Good game.
Okay, we're playing with 3 players then. Cool. Okay, I got See the Future, Skip, Reverse, Slap, Single Slap, and Diffuse. Draw card. Ooh, I got 2 See the Futures now. Oh! Egg, kick, or eggplant, draw an Exploding Kitten.
It's your turn.
Lucky day. Let me just play See the Future.
1, 2, 3
Okay.
kittens.
Reverse, play Skip.
It's your turn.
Let me play Reverse card on him.
Your turn.
I'll play Skip.
It's your turn.
Draw a card.
It's your turn.
The top card was an Exploding Kitten, so I play Skip. Waiting for Dimples to draw a play card.
You.
Are you kidding me right now?
Oh. Your turn.
Oh, dang it, I draw an Exploding Kitten. I defuse it. I put it on 4th. Because I have less cards now.
One, two, three kittens. You.
I play skip.
Oh. Ah. You.
Oh, thank goodness. The card I got wasn't explained kitten, but this is...
Pew.
Dang it. Are you kidding me? Wow, this is really a card stealer. What the? Oh my god, he's good. He's good. I should probably say that steal a card for later. In the next round.
Your turn.
Like this, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm good. Sad face, sad face, sad face, sad face. Alright, go on to the 3rd and final round. Alright, there's the 3rd round, boys. 3rd and final round. Oh, I'm with Kick and Dimples again, lol. Alright, Dimples, I just want to say, great game, Dimples, great game. Okay, plus I'm going to change my avatar to orange. Alright, I'm sorry I paused there. My parents are having a conversation there, so... Yep, my new strategy, save the steel card for later. And enemies just draw and explain kitten. Lol.
Oh. Ah, it's your turn.
Okay, Dimples plays shuffle, and I'm just gonna draw a card. Oh my god! So bad luck! He is so bad luck! He is so bad luck. Alright, we're back into the basics. We're back into the basics, boys.
You.
Let me just try to steal a card from Dimples. Just one at a time. I'm just trying to play steal card. Okay. Okay, good game. Playing my first defuse.
Wow. Gosh darn it.
I put it on the 5th, as usual.
1, 2, 3 kittens. It's your turn.
Alright. If first card and second card drawn by him, then my drawing must be 3rd card. He's not explaining it in my whole life.
Your turn.
Let me just redraw from the bottom. Instead of playing the See the Future card first, I mean.
It's your turn. 1, 2, 3 kittens.
Oh. Playing skip card. The top of 2 cards is an exploding kitten.
Oh. Ah.
Oh, he's so dead. Last round winner died. It's up to you and me, my friend.
It's your turn.
Potato.
Give me one of your cards, eggplant. Ooh, I got 4 single slaps at once. Oh, thank God I draw from the bottom.
LOL. Good game.
Play See the Future. Then I'm gonna play single slap on you, boy.
It's your turn.
Play more single slap.
Your turn.
You know what? I'm just gonna draw a card and play the fuse card over there, as usual. I'm just gonna play it on the bottom of the deck.
1, 2, 3 kittens.
Oh yeah, forgot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the top card.
It's your turn.
Playing reverse.
It's your turn.
Playing single slot.
Your turn.
Best of luck.
Am I dead? Oh yeah, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I didn't realize he has another fuse. So bye bye. Oh, I forgot to double slap. Oh, I win again, boy. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget comment. Okay, bye. And don't be a fiery mountain of meat. Boom.